Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into a little bit of GameStop analysis. So, seems like we're still in the buy area, chopping about, not doing too much, and again, kind of in this accumulation mode. The news is dying off. People are losing interest, and this is where we want to continue to buy and accumulate. We have possibly a three swing move down coming here. So right now we got like three wave move up, a little bit of an impulse down, and now we're looking to see if it's going to dip again. If it is going to dip again, I'm going to be adding more at 22.13. So this is the dip buy area from this ABC if it does happen. Right, no guarantee it does, but if it does, then I'm going to be looking to add more in this area. It's pretty close to the low at 21.56. Also, my friend is telling me he's going to buy like $250,000 worth of GameStop if we do dip back down to 21.50. I think that's where Ryan Cohen started buying too, and it's been going up since then. It went up and then it came down, right? So we'll have to see if it does a similar situation, but overall, still bullish on GameStop in the short term and in the longer term as well. Right now, weekly time frame, nothing too crazy going on, although we are getting some bearish dual band strength index numbers at 11 and a -1, saying that we should see lower lows, but we have yet to see that this week. Weekly time frame, we actually have, sorry, not the weekly, monthly time frame, we got that red dot still going on here, but we have not made a lower low in terms of price, and we still have green money flow, which is pretty interesting, right? I feel like they're trying to shake people out of their positions and trying to get people to sell. That's just my opinion, of course. And in the daily time frame, still got green money flow. Surprisingly, even with the price being down so much, down from like the 30s, 35, all the way down to 21, right? But regardless, still pretty bullish. 4-hour time frame, you actually have a red dot. So maybe we are going to get in the short term a little bit of a dip down into the 22s. It's very possible. And then 1-hour time frame, we'll dive into this. It's kind of, bobbing in and out of green and red. No real, momentum and move telling us that money is pouring into this in terms of the money flow here. But when we take a look at the dark pools, I can actually get back here and take a look at the GameStop, see if we have any new updates here. And yeah, people are complaining that the GameStop is going down or not moving at all as the Bitcoin price is rising, right? And Bitcoin got a pretty big move from 108,000 all the way to 122, right? Pretty much a pretty decent size increase there. So I actually was longing at 98 or right around 98, 99, and then it's been going up since then. So it's pretty crazy how Bitcoin has ran up from this level here, basically a 23% increase. But GameStop hasn't done too much. But that's also because they're it's not like their whole entire cash position is in GameStop. They only have like 10% of their money in, or actually even less now since they issued some bonds, right? So I would say it's probably an even smaller cash position relative to how much cash they have. They probably have a pretty small Bitcoin position. So if they were to add more, I don't think it's the right time to add. To be honest, I think the right time to add was in my dip buy areas down here, right? I had a dip buy here, a dip buy here, and then we kind of took a breakout long as well. But again, they're not really trading Bitcoin; they're just accumulating it. But this level here in the hundreds of thousands, low hundreds, was probably the time to accumulate before it ran up. Now, could it come back down? Yeah, it could come back down. I think Bitcoin might even come back down to like 112 or even retest this all-time high here. Is it this one or this one? Oh no, we're talking about this one, 111,800. Maybe we'll retest this, and then we'll be lucky if enough to get that, and it continues higher, right? I think it could hit the 150s, right? And a lot of people don't like Bitcoin. It's delusion. Yes, yeah. Well, price goes up, right? You can say whatever you want. The At the end of the day, the price is going up and people are still making money. Anyways, yep, that's kind of it. Overall, still very bullish long term, and still think that we may have another dip buy coming here at 2250. All right, peace.